Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most important topic of our time, AI and cybersecurity in 2025. AI is chasing everything, but here is the catch. It's also changing the way of cyber criminal attacks us. And trust me, in 2025, cybersecurity isn't just about an option. It's a pure survival. So, let's break it down. Artificial intelligence is a revolutionizing industries. Healthcare, finance, DevOps, even our daily lives. From smart assistants to medical AI to automate trading, everything is faster and
First
smarter.
question. You have seen those scam emails full of grammar mistakes, right? Well, AI fixed that. Now attackers can send you a perfectly written personalized emails that looks 100% real. Second, deepfakes. Imagine getting a video call from your boss. But it's not really them. It's an AI generated video and voice clone. Sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? But it's happening. Third, adaptive malware. Unlike old school viruses, this malware can modify itself in a real time to escape detection system. Basically, it learns how to sneak past security. Traditional security methods, they just can't keep us anymore. So, how do these threats actually play out? Perfect phishing. Emails look so real. Even cybersecurity experts struggle to spot them. Deepfake scams. Criminals can impersonate CEOs, politicians, or even your family members. Adaptive malware. It hides inside your system, changing the behavior wherever you try to detect it. And here is the scary part. AI attacks are becoming indistinguishable from real communication. But don't worry, it's not all doom and gloom. AI is also becoming our greatest shield. With instant detection, AI can spot suspicious activities in a second instead of an hours. With a zero trust model, it means never trust, always verify, no matter who or where you are. And a behavioral analytics learns what's normal in network and instantly flags anomalies. So yes, it's literally AI versus AI fighting fire with the fire. The future is basically a high-tech arm race. AI versus AI. Attackers and defenders constantly trying to outsmart each other. Quantum safe encryption. New security methods to protect against the future quantum computers hack. Blockchain, a decentralized system ensuring data integrity and secure digital identity. Jobs boom. And guess what? All of this creates huge demand for cybersecurity professionals. If you are looking for a future-proof career, this is it. So, here is the bottom line. Cybersecurity is a survival. The stakes have never been higher. If we don't stay ahead of the AI-powered threats, our digital world will collapse. And that's why we need awareness, strong defense, and you, future cyber warriors. If you found this useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe because we will keep bringing you the latest on AI, cybersecurity, future tech. Stay safe, stay secure, and protect your digital future.